So, Lewis concept, okay, for covalent bond formation.
Sir, have you just started?
No, already we have done Lewis concept yesterday.
No, no, today's class. Now you have just started.
Just started. Just I have written only one
Yes,
sentence.
yes, sir.
Just started. So
Sir, this noise is coming from
yeah,
any
please,
students.
it's your self responsibility, children. Okay, to maintain silence. Okay, I will not repeat again and again. So Lewis concept for covalent bond formation, children. So what he told that his main concept was, okay, his main concept was, yeah, uh, for this type of atoms, electronegative atoms and electronegative atoms, means both of the atoms, okay, are electronegative. They don't have tendency to lose electron. And just see those who can maintain silence at the background, please raise your hand so that I can, okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, so I'm starting.
Yes, sir.
Electronegative atom. I will add student. Don't worry. Listen properly first. After 5 minutes, I will add electronegative and electronegative. Means the tendency of both the atom is not to lose the electron. Then what he told that, okay, what he told that bond will be formed by mutual
Same.
sharing of their valence
Electrons.
electrons. Yesterday we have discussed, I have given example also. Okay. Okay, bond will be formed by mutual sharing of their valence electron. And that will be known as and that is known as covalent bond. Covalent bond. Bond is a kind of attraction which will join two atoms. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And for example, so now the role of Lewis symbol, role of Lewis symbol is very important, children. That's why I told you role of Lewis symbols are very important. So you have to go through the Lewis symbols. Good morning everybody. Okay.
Good morning, sir.
Good
Good
morning.
morning, sir.
So
Sir, can you just scroll up?
yeah, I can scroll up. See, just we started Lewis concept for covalent bond formation. So actually there is a condition applied, children. Actually, by default, he was trying to explain the bond between electronegative and electronegative atom. Okay, means electronegative atom means nobody want to lose electrons. Okay, both of them are having tendency to gain electron. In that kind of situation, only one option is left, and that is mutual sharing of their valence electrons. So they can satisfy, and they can be either they want to complete their duplet, okay, or their octet, or paired, okay. They can satisfy it by sharing of the electrons, and they can become happy in terms, we can say they can become stable, somewhat stable. So for example, and
Sir,
one
I've
more,
got a question.
and please take a note that, okay, we have to consider the ground state electronic configuration as well as excited state electronic configuration. Okay, excited state, I told you, in excited state, number of
Unpaired electrons
unpaired
increases.
electrons are more, and in ground state unpaired electrons are less.
Less.
Unpaired electrons are less. So generally these small atoms, hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, okay, like these atoms, they immediately get excited state only. Maximum of them are in excited form only. Yes, any doubt? One student was asking some doubt.
Yes, sir.
What's your
Sir,
question?
which type of bond would be more stable? En plus En, Ep plus Ep, or ionization bond?
I think the best one is ionic bond only.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
Shall I move forward?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So children, let us take one example. Which type of bond will be more stable and all? Let us do some more questions and all. Then I will explain. When I will consider total measurement of lattice energy and bond dissociation energy, then we will give you I will give you a complete conclusion. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you have to wait for some time. So next is, so we can go for examples. Just you show formation of hydrogen, children. Start trying. So hydrogen means H dot. Okay. These are, see, now I should not repeat Lewis symbol. What are Lewis symbol and all? So see, they can join with each other because they have unpaired electron. And yesterday I told you, unpaired electron has tendency to get pair up. Unpaired electrons have tendency to get pair up. Okay. So what do you think? Hydrogen want to complete it octet or duplet?
Duplet.
Duplet, because atom is very small. He is not having more electrons also. So they will share their electron. They will bring their electron, okay, in middle of both the atoms, and they will share. Share means, see, this hydrogen will think that I have received 2 electron in my area, and this electron will think that electrons are in my area. Okay. Okay. So this type of sharing is known as, children, covalent bond. Due to this, an attraction force is developed because of this sharing of electron. Because if you want to remove this hydrogen, you have to apply energy. They will not separate easily. It means they have formed a bond. There is some attraction force, and that is the covalent bond, children, according to Lewis concept. And we can write in simpler form like this: dash H. One dash means we are representing total scenario like this, that there are 2 electrons in middle of these 2 atoms. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this bond is known as covalent bond, and if one covalent bond is formed, this bond is also known as sigma covalent bond. Sigma covalent bond. Yesterday I have discussed covalent bond, sigma covalent bond. Okay, if one single bond is there between 2 atoms, that will be known as sigma. If double bond is formed, then one is sigma and one is pi. Okay, if more bonds are there, then one will be sigma and remaining will be pi.
Pi.
Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Pi bond is weaker than sigma bond. That explanation, everything I will give you in detail when I will discuss this theory, valence bond theory. Okay, valence bond theory. Yes, any doubt, children?
Yes, sir.
Tell
Sir,
me.
chemical bond formation takes place when forces of attraction overcomes forces of repulsion.
Definitely.
Overcome.
If they are joining with each other, it means attraction force has overcome the repulsive forces.
Forces of repulsion.
Yes, definitely.
Sir, but in the test I marked this only, but they written another option. Correct. Take another option. Correct. They have
What was
told
the
that
option?
forces of options where energy is absorbed, forces of attraction overcome forces of repulsion, forces of repulsion overcome forces of attraction, and forces of attraction are equal to forces of repulsion.
No.
They have marked this one.
No.
Equal to.
No. Overcome the repulsions.
Yes, sir. I have marked that only.
Okay, children. Okay, they might have you might have not seen the question.
Sir, but in
when they will I shown you one graph, no? I shown you one graph that when they are joining, one stability comes, again the energy increases, and this is the
Yes.
distance. Okay, so distance between the particles. Here at this position, the repulsive forces and attractive forces are same. Okay, children.
Okay, sir.
Okay. But when they are coming from here to here, okay, the attractive forces are increasing. And see, here is the repulsive force, here is the attractive forces. At this position, repulsive forces and attractive forces are equal at their bond length
Okay, sir.
at this stage. So I don't know which question it is. According to that, you have to deal. Okay,
Okay, sir.
right. Next, tell me, any doubt?
Sir, covalent bond has more melting point or low melting point, sir?
Covalent bonds are generally having low melting points, children.
Okay, sir.
Okay, because they are not in form of lattice. Yesterday I discussed lattice, no?
Yes, sir.
So ionic bonds form a lattice, a three-dimensional network. So their melting point becomes very high. And covalent bond molecules generally have less melting point. Shall I move forward?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so next is, and don't think that this is the last explanation I am giving you. When time will come, I will give you how to measure the strength. Okay, how to
Okay,
measure
sir.
the melting point, boiling point. Okay, on what factor they are depending. What are the exceptional cases? Okay, children.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so don't worry that I am finishing chemistry today only. So have you completed formation of H2?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Now example 2 I am giving you. Formation of chlorine. Come on, do it fast. Write down their Lewis symbol first and see any unpaired electron is there. Try to share them. So this is the Cl, and this is having one unpaired electron. This is another Cl. This is having this unpaired electron. Okay. So what will happen? They will come near. So these are lone pairs. Okay, these are lone pairs. Yesterday I have discussed. Yesterday I have discussed. If you have not seen, please go through the lecture. These electrons are only unpaired, children. Okay, so they will come in middle. Okay, and now see, chlorine will think that this pair of electron is in my area, and this chlorine will think that this pair of electron is my area. This is known as sharing. This is known as sharing. In short, we can write chlorine bond chlorine. Again, how many sigma bond, how many covalent bond is formed, children?
One, sir.
It is sigma bond. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So in short, we can write, if somebody asks you to show all electrons and all, so you can show like this also. Okay. Now, give me answer how many electrons are shared.
Two.
Number of
One
electrons
pair.
shared in this molecule.
One electron.
Two, sir.
One electron.
In this molecule,
Sir, two electrons are
Two
shared.
electrons
two
shared.
electrons are shared. Okay. Now tell me number of electrons, number of electrons, number of non-bonding electrons
Sir,
in this
12.
molecule. In this
12,
molecule,
sir.
12.
12.
12, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. 12 electrons still they are who has not participated in bond formation. I think now you are getting some clarity.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. And mind it, we are discussing about electronegative and electronegative atom, children. Both the atoms are not having tendency to lose electrons. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So please draw it immediately. Have you drawn it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next is example 3. formation of N2. Wait, N2. Still, I am telling you the logic is the unpaired electron has tendency to get pair up.
Yes, sir.
Unpaired electron. So see, N, we have wrote the Lewis symbol. In nitrogen, there are 3 unpaired electrons. Okay, and this is lone pair, children. This is lone pair. This one. So another nitrogen atom is again 1 lone pair is there and 3 unpaired electron. Yesterday we have discussed about nitrogen. Did you remember?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
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 Okay, so now this is unpaired electron. It will try to make a covalent bond with this electron. So 3 electrons are ready to share. So how we can write it? We can write like this.
And
They will
triple
come
bond.
near. They will come near and they will bring their electrons in middle. And now this nitrogen will think that these all electrons are of his. And this electron will think that all electrons are of his. So now tell me, how many pair of electrons are shared?
3 pairs.
Three
6.
pairs. So in
3
short,
pairs,
we
sir.
can write like this, and triple bond N, and all remaining. Now tell me how many non-bonded electrons are there?
4.
4.
Good. Non-bonding electrons are 4. Okay. How many covalent bonds are formed?
3.
3.
3.
Number of covalent bonds equal to 3. Now tell me how many sigma and how many pi?
Sir,
1
1 sigma bond and 2
sigma
pi
and 2
bond.
pi.
1 sigma and 2
Pi
Pi
bond.
bond.
pi. I hope the concept is, yeah, now you are getting some clarity.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Yes.
what?
Yes. Yes, gentlemen.
Sir, only electronegative atoms only form covalent bond.
Yes, very nice. Good. Okay. So why you have asked this question? Because you have not remembered till now. Electropositive and electronegative will form ionic bond,
Oh, yes, sir.
and electronegative will form covalent bond. Okay,
Yes, sir.
and electropositive plus electropositive will form metallic bond.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please remember it. Okay. And fourth, vacant orbital, VO, vacant orbital and lone pair. Okay. If there is vacant orbital, children,
Yes, sir.
and 1 lone pair is there, then they will form coordinate bond.
Sir, what is vacant orbital?
Yesterday I have discussed, beta. Okay, yesterday I have discussed. Again, I will discuss. Don't worry. See, I will give you. Don't worry. I will give you all examples. But these are the basic requirement. Means by knowing this, you can easily say, okay, when ionic bond is going to form, when covalent bond is going to form, when metallic bond is going to form, and when coordinate bond is going to form.
So what is coordinate bond?
Coordinate bond is formed when participation of 1 vacant orbital and 1 lone pair take place. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Can
sir.
you
Yes,
give
sir.
one example?
Can you put example? Okay, I'll give you example. Free to ask the questions. Free to ask the question. Okay. Free to ask the questions. Okay. Now I will give some chance. Those who want to have a direct communication, the requirement is that they have to maintain proper silence in the background. So those who want to joined actively, please raise your hand. I will unmute them. Okay, please raise your hand. I will unmute them. But please make sure that no noise should be there in the background. Okay, so I have added some participant. Remaining participant again I will add after some time. So the next question is till now nitrogen. Now example, formation of suppose carbon dioxide, children. Now it's a molecule, children, of compound. Now it is a compound. In skill 1 I have taught you, okay, which is compound, which is molecule, which is element, everything. Try to solve it. Try to solve it. So anyhow, children, see. First of all, now, so this thing we are dealing with Lewis concept, okay. So I will suggest you, first of all, whenever you are getting a heteromolecule, okay, then your duty is to find out, it is your duty to find out central atom. It is your duty, children. Find out central atom and find out surrounding atoms. Any confusion in central atom and surrounding atom?
No, sir.
Okay. Those who has lower ionization potential, okay, generally becomes the central atom, and those who are having those who are having high electronegativity becomes surrounding atoms. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And generally the surrounding atoms are small generally, and central atom is big. In this way we can identify which one is central atom and which one is surrounding atom. So I think carbon is having less ionization enthalpy and oxygen is having more ionization enthalpy, or we can say what we can say, carbon is less electronegative and oxygen is more electronegative. Okay.
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, so on that basis I suggest that carbon will be the central atom. So I put the central atom over here. And in carbon atom, 4 unpaired electrons are there, children. Yesterday we have discussed.
Yes, sir.
And oxygen is having 2 unpaired electrons. 2 unpaired electrons we have discussed. Why I am continuously telling that we have discussed? We have discussed. And now, see, on the basis of this thing, we can say that this is the area of carbon. So now carbon has obtained its octet, 2, 4, 6, 8. And this is the area of oxygen. So here, oxygen also having 8 electrons, children. So this is the Lewis structure. Lewis structure of carbon dioxide. Can you write in short?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Carbon, yeah, carbon. You see how many electrons are shared. So you
Double
accordingly
Double
you are
bond O.
Double bond O,
Double
double
bonds.
bond O.
very nice. Did you understand?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. So how many unbonded non-bonded electrons are there on each oxygen atom?
8.
Total
4.
8.
Unbounded
Total.
4.
Listen the
4.
question properly.
Each oxygen atom, sir.
Yeah. Listen the question every time. That's why don't do any hurry in solving the objective type problem. How many non-bonded electrons are present in each oxygen?
4.
4, sir.
What are total number of electron non-bonded in this molecule?
8.
8. How many total covalent bonds are formed in this molecule?
4.
How many? Who told 2? Just correct it.
Sorry,
How
sir.
many sigma bonds are there in this molecule?
2.
2.
2. This is sigma and this is sigma. This is pi and this is pi. Did you understand?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. This bond is polar bond, children. Polar bond. Electronegativity difference is there. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is the electronegativity of carbon?
Don't know.
You don't know? I told you, you have to remember fluorine, then oxygen, then nitrogen, and then carbon. Fluorine is having 4.0, it is having 3.0, it is having what?
3.
So,
No,
I think this will become 2.5,
2.5.
something like
2.5.
0.5 difference is coming. Not every time it will be, just I am giving some small instructions and all. Just
Okay,
you see
sir.
what is the electronic configuration. Sorry, what is the electronegativity of carbon? Make sure that it is 2.5.
Okay, sir.
Are you sure it is 2.5?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. 2.55.
Sure, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. .55. So now I see the difference. 3.5 and 2.5. What is the difference?
1.
1.
1.0. Okay. So I told you that if the difference is less than 1.7, so covalent.
Covalent 1.
Okay. Greater than 1.7.
Ionic.
So this is also giving you a means confirmation that it is a covalent bond. Did you understand, children?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, when there is a difference in electronegativity, I told you. When there is a difference in electronegativity, some polarity will be developed, children. Negative
Yes, sir.
and positive. Okay.
Positive.
So polarity is working means how many poles are there in between these two bonds?
2 poles.
Two bonds. So two poles are there. So we can say it is the, I told you in chemistry, so many style is there. So
The
I will,
dipole.
yeah, dipole is there. And for dipole, we will write like this, children. This symbol represent that this bond is having some dipole moment. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. And again, in this bond also having same equal dipole moment.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Equal dipole moment, but they are in opposite direction.
Yes, sir.
So dipole moment is a vector quantity. Okay.
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
It requires direction and everything. So what will
Yes,
be the
sir.
net dipole moment here?
0.
0.
0.
0. So the
Zero.
dipole moment is represented like this, mu. Okay. And the total dipole moment is 0. Did you understand, children?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Did you understand, everybody?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes. Why each bond is having dipole moment, but total molecule is having 0 dipole moment? Because both the bonds dipole moment are cancelling each other. Hello?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Understood.
Yeah. And dipole moment is calculated in this form. Q into R. Q into R. Means the charge on any one end into distance between these two atoms. Okay.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
So one is this side and one is this side. Same thing is there. That's why I will tell you how to calculate exact value also. So exact value will become 0 because minus sign is there. Both the values are same, but minus. When we add, both the minus sign is there. There one and angle is also 180 degree. That's why it is cancelled. Okay. Hello,
R
children.
what you told, R is distance between the
Bond length. R is the bond length.
bond. Okay, sir.
Bond length.
Bond length.
No charge.
Yeah, it is a and Q equal to charge. Whatever the charge present over here. Okay.
Charge will also cancel.
Hello, tell me.
The charge will also cancel.
Charge will also cancel where the here and here.
Yes, sir, both dipole. So
Yes. Yes.
then
Yes.
charge
Yes.
left.
Everything will be cancelled.
Then there will be no charge left.
Yeah. Not in a complete molecule is neutral. CO2 is neutral molecule. No charge on this molecule. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
हाँ लेफ्ट लेके आ जाओ देखना एक बेंगलुरु बेकरी है ओके और नहीं एक हीरो होंडा का शोरूम आएगा उसके बाद में एक अभिरुचि रेस्टोरेंट है देखना लेफ्ट साइड में उसके सामने में देखना वैसा की फॉर्चून अपार्टमेंट लिखा है वैसा की फॉर्चून हाँ आ जाओ सो ओके
ठीक है सर हम आ जाएंगे सर
okay most welcome we'll have a party okay
Okay, sir.
Okay,
so
sir.
yeah next is I think you got the point okay so let us go for next example shall I go for next example
Yes, sir.
Sir.
good so now I will give you on this basis I will give you some homework you have to complete your own okay don't worry H2 you already formed Cl2 we already formed O2 you can easily form N2 we have formed now I will give you P4 you have to form S8 you have to form try it and then you can ask me in doubt clearance classes
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
you have to solve it see what molecules are giving take it seriously HCl HF ICL H2O CO2 CO2 SO2 BeCl2 SO3 Cl3 NH3 CH4 PCl3 PCl5 SF6 okay then
Okay,
again
sir.
example I will give you H2O H2 O2
So done.
okay N2H4 okay H2S H2S2 then I will give you okay then I will give you these all are example you please take a screenshot or you write it properly you today you have to complete and you have to show me you have to send it through WhatsApp to me personally
Okay, sir.
don't share in groups I will
Okay,
check it
sir.
everything
Okay, sir.
and those who will be perfectly correct I will share those who will be having proper everything I will share in the group where everybody can see it
Okay, sir.
yeah And
So for
I have
doing this-
given yesterday some assignment. Have you completed?
Yes, sir.
Please, okay. So now more molecules are there. See how many molecules are there. You keep on now practicing. Okay. Some charge particles are also there. CO3 minus. Okay. Then NH4 plus. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
वैसाखी के पास आ गए ना, आ जाओ। तो रुको मैं भेज दे रहा हूँ मैडम को। अब मोंटे बाबू नीचे देखो एक स्टूडेंट आया, उसको प्लीज ले आओ। मोंटी ठीक, ओके। हेलो
सर नारायणा बैच स्टूडेंट।
ठीक ठीक, हाँ आ जाओ। हाँ आ जाओ, मेरी मैडम आ रही है नीचे कलेक्ट करने के लिए। 101A ब्लॉक में आ जाओ। हाँ कार बाहर रख दो। ठीक। तो अब देखो
सर थोड़ा म्यूट करके बात कीजिए वरना कंफ्यूज हो जाता है हम। आप किससे बोल रहे हैं?
अच्छा ठीक है। तो आप लोग भी म्यूट होके बात करिए, मैं कंफ्यूज हो जाता हूँ। HNO3 BeF2 BeCl2। कोई अगर रिपीट भी हो गया मॉलिक्यूल तो टेंशन मत लेना, बच्चों जैसा बात मत करना, ये रिपीट हो गया, ये रिपीट हो गया। BF4 माइनस, ठीक है, AlH4 माइनस,
डबल स्टेप में होगा
AlF3।
सर।
हाँ
तो जिसमें चार्ज है वो तो डबल स्टेप में होगा।
देखा जाए, अब जब मुसीबत आया तो सामना करना पड़ेगा। क्या होगा नहीं होगा सब देखेंगे हम लोग, इसीलिए तो दे रहा हूं। इसमें देखो, अपने डिसाइड करो कि क्या क्या मेरे से बन सकता है, क्या क्या नहीं बन सकता है, तभी ना आप मेरे से पूछोगे। याद रखिएगा, हर चीज में एक्सेप्शनल केस होता है और केमिस्ट्री में तो भरा पड़ा है एक्सेप्शनल केस।
ठीक है सर।
हाँ, तो पूरा पढ़ाई एक्सेप्शनल केस वगैरह सबको लेकर होता है पढ़ाई। अब देखो पार्टिसिपेंट को कौन समझाए, मैंने कहा ना कि म्यूट करके बात करो।
सर म्यूट करके बात करेंगे तो वो म्यूट हो जाएंगे ना सर, वो अनम्यूट नहीं कर पाते हैं।
फिर बाद में मैसेज कर देना।
सर ओ कैपिटल है, PO?
PO यस, कैपिटल कैपिटल।
ओके सर।
सर आपने ये डबल राइट क्यों दिया?
डबल राइट क्यों दिया? क्योंकि देखो मैंने जेनॉन लिया है और जेनॉन लेक के लिए हम लोग ने कहा था ना, तुम बुला लो,
पूरा ही
क्या
है
बुला लो,
आपके
उनको बुला लो। हाँ बुला लो।
सर जेनॉन को बहुत एनर्जी लगा होगा रिएक्ट करने के लिए।
जेनॉन पहले तो बोलता था कि हम लोग रिएक्ट नहीं करते हैं। बुला लो ना उनको अंदर। हम तो रिएक्ट नहीं करते हैं, लेकिन देखो चुपके से रिएक्ट कर दिया है, तो कैसे नहीं डबल मार्क देंगे बताओ? अब इसलिए डबल मार्किंग दिया है, समझ गए? हाँ, इसलिए पूछ लिया करो, क्योंकि केमिस्ट्री मेरा ब्रेन में और हाथ में और पूरा बॉडी में घुसा हुआ है, तो ना हम ऑटोमेटिक चला जाता है। जेनॉन जैसे ही यूज करेंगे वहां डबल चला जाता है कि ये आओ बेटा बैठो, जस्ट आई एम डीलिंग ऑनलाइन क्लासेस, बैठो। तो XeF2
सर xenon में भी अनपेड इलेक्ट्रॉन्स होंगे?
आप देख लो,
नहीं तो अब
KrF2
8 से भी ज्यादा हो सकता है क्या?
देख लो, 8 से ज्यादा हो सकता है। ये क्वेश्चन क्यों पूछ रहा है? हम लोग कितना कितना पहले पढ़े थे, डुप्लेट, फिर हम लोग 4 स्टेट, 6 इलेक्ट्रॉन, 8 इलेक्ट्रॉन, 10 इलेक्ट्रॉन, 12 इलेक्ट्रॉन, 14 इलेक्ट्रॉन, 16 इलेक्ट्रॉन, गए थे कि नहीं एक दिन?
हाँ सर।
हाँ सर।
तब फिर डरना क्यों है? ओके, ये सबसे बनाओगे स्ट्रक्चर्स।
ओके सर।
ठीक है, चलो बनाओ, तब तक मैं 2 मिनट के लिए 2 मिनट बनाओ पूरा सब चीज।
ओके सर। ओके सर।
हाँ, हाँ बना बेटा,
सर
बना
बना
रहे हैं।
एकदम
बना
एकदम ट्राई करते जाइए।
सर टाइम हो गया सर।
टाइम भी हो गया?
9:48 हो रहा है सर।
अरे इतना जल्दी टाइम बीत गया?
सर सोचिए आज का क्लास कितना इंटरेस्टिंग था।
क्लास
नहीं
ना
चला।
हमेशा इंटरेस्टिंग होता है, डिपेंड करता है कि तुम्हारा उस समय
मूड
माइंड
चल रहा है।
स्थिति क्या था। जितना ध्यान दोगे, क्वेश्चन पूछोगे, समझोगे, है ना,
हाँ सर।
उतना अच्छा रहेगा। चलो ये पूरा होमवर्क करके मेरे को व्हाट्सएप में भेजोगे, और जो नहीं बनेगा वो पूछोगे।
ओके सर।
ठीक है सर।
ठीक है सर।
चलो तब, हैव ए नाइस
सर ये
डे।
एक्सप्लेनेशन व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में भेज दीजिएगा ना।
हाँ भेज देंगे एकदम, जिसमें जिसमें प्रॉब्लम होगा ना, सब लोग बना बना के मेरे को पर्सनल भेजोगे, हम चेक करेंगे, और जिसमें
सर।
कॉमन डाउट आएगा, और फिर इसीलिए तो डाउट क्लियरेंस क्लासेस देते हैं बेटा 3 बजे।
हाँ सर।
हाँ सर ठीक है।
ठीक है, देखो कितना फैसिलिटीज मैं दे रहा हूँ, ग्रुप बनाकर भेज रहा हूँ, मटेरियल, क्वेश्चंस, एवरीथिंग। आज और भेजूंगा क्वेश्चंस, और दूसरा वीडियो लेक्चर्स आपको दे दे रहा हूँ। ठीक है,
हाँ सर।
आप पढ़ो
ठीक है
उसमें।
सर।
हाँ, और उसके बाद कोई भी लेक्चर्स देख सकते हो, मेरा कोई भी लेक्चर देख सकते हो। कितना मैंने करीब अभी तक 40 लेक्चर शायद बना दिए।
हाँ
आप सब लेक्चर देखो, लाइक करो, सब्सक्राइब करो, इतना तो करोगे नहीं।
सर, हम किए हुए हैं सब्सक्राइब।
ठीक है, चलो आज के लिए इतना ही रखते बेटा। हाँ
हाँ सर।
हाँ सर।
थैंक यू
चलिए,
सर।
बाय बाय, बाय बाय एवरीबॉडी।
थैंक यू सर। बाय
बाय
सर।
सर।
यस सर।
रुको, बाय सेशन होगा, 1 मिनट रुको, मेरे को सबको अनम्यूट करने दो।